So the first tip I have for you is just placement, where you're actually going to put your laptop, your computer, your webcam. So you really just want to be looking at it straight on, and not too close, not too far. When you open up Zoom, you're usually going to start something like this, but take a few minutes ahead of your call to just open your own meeting and just test out the placement of your camera. That can really go a long way. The second tip for you is lighting. So you kind of just want to work with whatever you have in your apartment or your home. One of the best options is, if you do have a window, make sure that it is behind your computer, your webcam, your laptop, and the light is coming towards your face. So in this case, I have a window right over there, so I'm getting light towards me. If you're ever in front of a window, sometimes the window is going to be really bright and your face is going to be like in shadows and completely dark. So definitely not ideal. Same thing with a lamp. You want to kind of have the lamp behind your computer rather than behind you. Otherwise, it's going to be really bright and your camera is going to have trouble adjusting to get your face visible. Third tip is audio. So if you have any type of earbuds or headphones with a mic that's different than the laptop mic, that can really go a far way in making your audio really clear and make whatever you're presenting just come across clearly and professionally. So any earbuds that you use to talk on the phone, you can just plug it into your computer and make sure that make sure that Zoom is picking that up when you say test your mic, and that can really help with your audio quality too. Lastly, just do the best with what you have. If you're engaged and prepared, just like you would be for a regular meeting, people aren't really going to be paying that much attention to the garbage truck in the background or noises that you have. Just do your best and show up engaged, and that'll go a long way in being professional and appearing professional on Zoom video calls. So if you have any more questions about Zoom, managing Zoom calls, virtual events, feel free to check out the links below to learn more about our services and how Meeting Tomorrow may be able to help. Thanks so much. Take care.